Do you think uNkulunkulu like upheka ama-souls amasha like?
I believe in reincarnation.
Yeah, I
believe in reincarnation.
I don't think that nigga is still taking souls. How many souls now? These souls have always been there. Probably goes to a certain shelf now.
So you're telling me like one day Uzobu as Umshana.
Or you might come back as so second in other case.
Until everything is balanced.
Yeah. You might even come back as a tree.
Let me tell you, you see the reason why we reproduce this much. The reason why it's because there's two different types of species in Ghana. There's a species which my figure like Shalakon, my location famous feeling traveling relax. I told so that's safe. So massive. The knowledge is now medicines in the spread.
Yeah, see pass it on.
So that's what reproduce. Then there's a species my figure la pontang, just demolishes.
Do you think are we that species?
Tina, we should go into that species emotion.
Yeah. No,
maybe it's
Lendole, the engine at this whole time. Whatever species that's coming, Yamosh. Whatever species that's coming.
Down. Jungle balance. There has to be good. There has to be bad, though. And then there has to be that guy or that particular.
So that nigga can be cooking new souls every now and then. Yeah, recycle that. So some mistake but manje ulungiseka. So why ulungisa uzibani ngendlela ezisho so. That's what I think.
Hey, I feel deep.
Yeah.
And can I also say something, though? Yes. Do you think God can survive as a human being without his powers?
You. I think he can.
I think he can't.
I think I can. It's not something I thought of. I think
he can.
He got his powers from accepting tragedies of the world. Yeah, he got his powers from that. Fix those who can be fixed, or fix those who want to be fixed, and then leave those who want to be those, and so on. And then follow me.
Before I get in my deep in, let me tell you why. I don't think I'm a survivor.
Yeah.
Because he's a God. He'll never understand what it means to be a human being, but he knows what is a human being because it's his creation.
It's his creation.
You can't be what you created. You'll never experience yourself with your own eyes.
Wait.
He's a God. So that's why he had to be a Jesus to do his work onto this earth. He couldn't come as he had to be half human and half God.
When shit gets hard, he just switches back to God.
Yeah, it's what.
Damn.
He's a God with humans. Damn, and that will never understand what it is to be a God. But we have God particles.
God-like powers, yeah.
God-like powers, but we'll never completely understand what it means.
Like, okay, wait. When he won, I'm saying he will.
Yeah.
The reason I'm saying he will is because the fact that he knows that so I don't take anything I'm God, dog. Regardless of who you are, I'm God. So I think uNkulunkulu uzoba naleyo ego naleyo pride yokuthi lo muntu lo uNkulunkulu, so he won't live like human beings.
Yeah.
Like mega feel the creep.
Exactly.
So bagala.
You know why?
No, but
Who's gonna react to his godlike power?
Exactly. You'll never understand what it means to be human because he's
No,
a God.
he
So
does.
he
He does
always
understand.
acknowledge ukuthi njengoba usho ukuthi
Again,
ngeke abantu, he'll always know ukuthi I'm a God.
Again, it's more like in. Think of
And so it's knowing what you are, Dan, that makes you what you are.
It's more of uNkulunkulu.
So then I'll call you because you know who you are.
Who you are.
That's what I'm saying, nigga.
uNkulunkulu, think of uNkulunkulu as CEO of Shoprite. Uzoba ne-ego ne-pride yokuthi that more clean because I'm the CEO, dog, I'm the owner. I know how to clean, I know how to do this and that, but I won't do this shit because I'm above you.
Exactly, dog. You are a god. You are a boss. You know, so you'll never understand what it means to be a cleaner.
No,
you can't do it.
Dog.
You can't, Dama.
Yeah, you can do it, but you won't.
Dama might pay me happy, but you don't like it, Dama.
Nah,
It's beneath
you can, but
It's beneath, like you. Yeah, you feel like I have a line.
It's beneath you. It's above you.
Or it's all a dog.
You know.
there's nothing above uNkulunkulu.
You know, it's almost like going through.
Exactly, Dama. When you vumelana nami,
You met God.
Ah, yakena lingavumelani nawe ne. Khona something uyishilo like.
Dama, a boss that I will never understand.
Khona something uyishilo at the end ukuthi he won't understand how to be a human being. Angel.
What it means, Dama.
What it means.
You know what it means to be a human being.
So if he doesn't know what
Dama, when if today you knew, Mutsif, Dama, if you had this godlike powers,
yeah.
it's only like yabo God the way let's say you are a God today.
Yeah.
Shooting down at your human side, make
Yeah.
it exist.
He's not existent. You
No,
know what? He's not
don't you know what it means to be a God?
He's not
You
existent. You know why?
understand the
He's
power.
not existent because you are the one who created these people. You are above them, though.
Now you tell me God understand what it means to be a rat.
Right? Yeah. But
Trejo Tebujo from Turf Loop, but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung